Hi, I'm Evelyn, a professional trader with 8 years of experience. I'm always on the lookout for effective strategies. My current win rate is over 91%. I'm 28 years old and my wallet is doing just fine with cash in it. Not bad, right? I can afford anything I want now, but it wasn't always this way. Not long ago, I was borrowing from friends just to pay off my bank loans. It was tough. But now I have my own villa, a Mercedes, and every month I travel to a new country. By the way, before today's session, I already withdrew my funds. One of the biggest advantages of this platform is that there are no fees. If you have any questions or feel unsure about anything, reach out to me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I'd be happy to help. Alright friends, I've set everything up. Now it's time to choose the players. Today I'm thinking of focusing exclusively on stocks. How about that? Let's pick an indicator. My choice is RSI, which helps analyze past candle movements and predict future trends. Was that clear? If not, don't hesitate to DM me on Telegram. I'll leave the link in the comment section of this video. Looking at the chart, we can see the candle hitting a resistance level, meaning we can expect it to drop. Great, let's move on. Here I'm confidently going down from the resistance level. The indicator shows divergence. Once again, we nailed it! What a smooth move. Remember, you don't have to use everything you've got. There are risks involved. I cover that in detail on my Telegram channel. If you want to feel more confident in trading, join me there. Let's keep going. Up next, we've got the Digital Genius. Look at how the trend has shifted. I'm expecting a move down to the support level. Got it! This is the greatest part. Do you dream of quickly understanding charts? With an experienced mentor, it's totally possible, and you've already found one. Don't miss this chance. DM me using the first link in the description. As a bonus, I'll give you a promo code for an extra 50% on your first deposit. This one's a no-brainer. The trend's moving towards the resistance level. Let's go up. The trend shot up confidently, as if everyone suddenly decided to invest. Remember, you can copy my every move and apply them in your own sessions. That way, you'll boost your chances of success. On average, my followers make 880 per session with me. What's going on with Intel? Here I'm going down with the trend after the correction ends. Every success lifts my spirits. Let's keep going. Hello again, Apple. Since the candle impulsively hit the level and the indicator is showing oversold conditions, let's aim for an upward move. And once again, we nailed it. Now we're on American Express. The trend has shifted downward, so let's trust it. Whoa, I just can't stop. Let's do a couple more sessions and we'll call it a day. We've got a bonus of the support level here. It looks like it's time to go up. Smooth and steady toward another positive result. To succeed in trading, you need to know the most effective strategies. That's why I share my insights and break down common beginner mistakes in my community. Every day, I also host live sessions on my channel, which already has over 18,000 members. Everyone gets to see my entry points, and those who want to can just follow along. Just today, we made an incredible 1.2 million as a club. Some members have already done amazing home renovations, while others have brought brand new cars. For many, life has completely turned around. You can join my sessions too and simply copy my actions. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the first link in the description or the pinned comment. Let's finish with what we started, our favorite, Apple. Look at the bulls charging upward. The indicator shows overbought conditions, so sooner or later it's bound to change. Bears, it's your time to shine. Fantastic result. I'm so happy. It looks like a new ring is coming on my way. Want to achieve the same? Then learn from the pros. All the finer details of technical analysis are on my Telegram channel. Follow the link in the description. Oh, and I almost forgot. I do analysis live every day, so anyone can see my actions and follow along. See you on the channel.